guys, this is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my two favorite RC cars out. Got the Arrma Typhon 3S and the Kraton 4S. This ain't a comparison because, you know what I mean, they two different types of vehicles, even though that don't matter half the time. I just want to run both of these and see. I'm gonna bash this a little hard today, see how she holds up. What we got in here, we got all factory BLX system, BLX ESC, and a 3200 kV motor. Factory servo, metal slipper. Now in the all factory spectrum system, you got a, what is this, 100 amp ESC and a 2400 kV motor. Metal slipper. Both of them got metal slippers in here. Just this is 3S, this is 4S. Gonna start off with the Typhon. I always do that. I can't just. Whoa, we down, and we're back up again. Let's see if I got a jump here. Yeah, I don't know if it can handle all of this. All the tire look like it's flopping around. The damn shot came off. We back in business. I found the screw in there. This screw might not last long though. Back to the bash. Are we back to square one? Try not to kick up rocks too much up here because there's cars over here, but you can kick up some jumps with no problem. I'm gonna break something. Yeah, I'm gonna stop there. Yeah, I need a ramp for this because this right here is not gonna work. I stopped putting the camera down, I would have been catching this stuff. Where'd she go? And she's good. And the battery is dead. I don't see how, well, I know why. All right, she did pretty good. Couldn't really get no real jumps off. But let's pull out the Kraton. All right, we got the Kraton out. You know I gotta do the grass. Yeah, them tires look epic with that white writing on it. Now we're gonna go back here. Let's rip on some dirt now. Yeah, this definitely got more pickup and it sit up higher. What I might do with the Typhon though, I might make that 4S, a 4S Typhon. You know, I don't want to do it too big. Make a 4S Typhon. But I'm gonna upgrade the Typhon. I got a lot of upgrade videos coming up. I'm not going too much keep buying too many cars and just buying cars and buying cars. I'm gonna just start upgrading the ones I got. Yeah, it's more stable on stable ground. And right here, another thing, I got a messed up arm on here, so I gotta be careful. For some reason, I not got the right angle or something. There we go. That turned out a little bad there. Huh. I don't know how long that rear arm gonna hold out. It's crazy glue and duct tape. That's how you fix everything. Landed way wrong on that one. Oh man, I missed all of that. It was like King of the Hill. She's still good. Yo, if you don't hit that jump right, man. Yeah, that angle is wrong. Like, I can't get no right angle. I don't got enough takeoff speed or nothing. Really angled wrong. Yeah, but these, the Kraton and the Typhon 3S, man. These are my favorite cars. My light popping out. See, the thing is, what I do with my lights, which I should glue them in, but I pop them in so it don't, like I make the hole so you can push it through. It's a strong push there. Like you gotta push it through that hole. And then it's on the shock, so it's gonna cut it. I'm gonna have to zip tie that. But I like to push them through. So when you go to have to change them, especially where they located, you know, you're gonna have problems with them. They're gonna blow out, get cracked all up. These is pretty strong though. It'll take a lot to crack this bug. I like them power slides. Yeah, man. I actually didn't break anything. Surprise. But like I said, this ain't a comparison video. It's just running both of my favorites. One of my favorites. The Kraton and the Typhon is one of my favorite RC cars. The Typhon I had for like 4 years. Thing never disappointed, except when I broke it. Kraton didn't disappoint so far, except for when I broke it. They both durable cars. Nice handling, nice and stable. You can do some power slides with both vehicles. And the battery is done. And it's a rock stuck. But I'm done anyway. So as always, hope you enjoyed that video. Leave a comment below. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.